Greetings, Latin scholars. Today we'll be looking at Caesar 5.46, where Caesar responds to the threat to his Gallic legions. It begins, Caesar, with the letter having been accepted around the 11th hour of the day. So acceptis litteris is an ablative absolute, and this is the late afternoon. If it was fall, the sun would be down already because they start their hour counting at sunrise. Immediately, he sent a messenger into the Bellovaci to Marcus Crassus, the quaestor, whose winter camps were distant from his own by 25 miles. He ordered a legion to set out in the middle of the night and to come to him quickly. So Caesar many times in this passage points out his own leadership expertise. So we have statim up here. As soon as he receives the message, he's immediately responding. He sends a legion out in the middle of the night, which is not something that Romans usually do. And he stresses quickly again. And as per tradition, when Caesar pats himself on the back, we give him a sticker. So have some nice stickers, Caesar. He, and this is referring to Crassus, who's in charge of this legion right here, left. He left as soon as he got the message. So one would think this is translated with the messenger, but Caesar has already mentioned that the messenger is there, so this is something that's extraneous, and it's translated as soon as he got the message instead. Moving on. He sent another message to Gaius Fabius, the legate, that he should lead the legion into the boundary of the Atrebates, where Caesar knew that a journey would be made. So ut here sets off a volitive subjunctive clause, which is expressing a wish, and sibi here is a dative of agent referring to Caesar. He writes to Labienus if he was able to act for the benefit of the Republic, and this is a double dative here. So we have re publicae, which is a dative of purpose, and commodo, which is a dative of reference. So it's translated for the benefit of the Republic. He should come with his legion into the territory of the Nervii. The remaining part of the army, which was a little too far away, it's a little too far removed, he does not think that it should be awaited. So they shouldn't wait up for them. And this is a passive periphrastic here with an implied essay. He collects around 400 cavalry from nearby camps. So he's building up an army and he's moving forward. So Caesar's actively responding to the threats to his legions, which is something that we really haven't seen. He's being very decisive, he's being very active, and hopefully it's going to work out for the best for him. Thank you very much, and I hope this was helpful.